Meet the Modular Ado. It is built in a factory, delivered to your backyard, and ready in weeks, not the year a traditional build takes. It looks like a custom cottage, but it was built indoors with precision engineering. Inside, you get a full kitchen, a bathroom, a bedroom, and living space, everything a home needs. High-end finishes, smart layouts, no compromise on quality. And here is the best part, your life is not disrupted for months. No construction crew camping in your yard for a year. Use it as rental income, a home for aging parents, a guest house, an office, or even a place for your kid coming back from college. Cities across America are changing zoning laws to allow ADUs because they are the fastest way to create more housing. Your backyard is not just grass. It is income. It is family housing. It is flexibility. Modular ADUs, the fastest, smartest way to unlock what your property is really worth. Ready to add an ado to your backyard? Let us get started.